Let's understand what really happens before and during prophase. So first, many students think mitosis starts with the prophase, but actually before prophase there is another phase which is called as interphase. So let's zoom into interphase. Interphase is not a resting stage. First of all, it is a preparation state. So what happens during the interphase? An interphase cell typically consists of genetic material in the form of loose threads. Nucleolus is present, nuclear envelope is present, you can see here, okay, and the spindle fiber generating apparatus is actually synthesized during this stage. So let's discuss step by step what happens during the interphase. Interphase further comprises of three main stages. One is G1 stage, the second one is S stage, and the third one is termed as G2 stage. Let's discuss what happens during these stages. In the G1 stage, cell actually grows. So growth of the cell occurs and the cell size increase. The second thing is that the essential proteins which are required for the upcoming divisional process of the mitosis are synthesized. So essential proteins are also synthesized during the G1 stage of interphase. What happens during the S phase? In the S phase, the cellular genetic material is duplicated. So duplication of genetic material occurs during the S phase. For example, if there was one chromosome with two sister chromatids, now it will generate its copy with identical two sister chromatids. So previously, if there were 23 chromosomes in the cell, now we have 46 chromosomes. Let's take another example. For example, there were 14 chromosomes. After the S phase occurs, now we have 28 chromosomes because each chromosome has generated its copy. Now what happens in the G2 stage of this interphase? In the G2 stage, the cell prepares for the division by producing spindle proteins. So one of the essential proteins are synthesized during the G2 stage, which are called as spindle proteins. Spindle proteins are very important for the synthesis of spindle fibers in the upcoming stages of the mitosis. So by the end of interphase, the DNA is already doubled, but it is still in the form of loose thread-like structure, as you can see, and this thread-like structure is termed as chromatin. Sorry. So we have no visible chromosomes right now. So just remember interphase with key terms of growth, DNA duplication, and preparation for the synthesis of spindle fibers. Okay, once you understand these three terms, growth, copying the genetic material, and the preparation for the next stages, you will be easily able to remember the key stages of interphase. Thank you.